Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of repair. Restore by replacing a part or putting together what is torn or broken. She repaired her TV set. Bushel, doctor, fix, furbish up, mend. Set straight or right. Repair and oversight. Amend, rectify, remediate, remedy. Give new life or energy to. This treatment repaired my health. Animate, quicken, reanimate, recreate, renovate. Make amends for, pay compensation for. One can never fully repair the suffering and losses of the Jews in the Third Reich. Compensate, indemnify, recompense. Move, travel, or proceed toward some place. He repaired to his cabin in the woods. Resort. The act of putting something in working order again. Fix, fixing, fixture, mend, mending. A frequently visited place. Hangout, haunt, resort, stamping ground. A formal way of referring to the condition of something. The building was in good repair.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.